Hello everyone, my name is Ishwarya, studying MCA in Manasa Gangotri, Department of Science in Computer Science, Mysore. This is my presentation on NVIDIA company and also the use of artificial intelligence in NVIDIA company. Contents: NVIDIA Corporation Overview, History of NVIDIA, Founder, President and CEO, Co-Founders, Logo History, Artificial Intelligence used in NVIDIA, Mission, Vision and Values. NVIDIA Corporation Overview. NVIDIA Corporation is an American multinational technology company incorporated in Delaware and based in Santa Clara, California. NVIDIA is also known as for developing integrated circuits which are used in everything from electronic game consoles to personal computers. It designs graphic processing units for the gaming and professional markets as well as system on a chip units for the mobile computing and automotive market. NVIDIA expanded its presence in the gaming industry with its handheld game consoles, Shield Portable, Shield Tablet and Shield Android TV and its cloud gaming service GeForce Now. Its professional line of GPUs are used in workstations for applications in such fields as architecture, engineering and construction, media and entertainment, automotive, scientific research and manufacturing design. NVIDIA history. NVIDIA was founded on April 5, 1993 by Jensen Huang, a Taiwanese American, previously director of coreware at LSI Logic and a microprocessor designer at Advanced Micro Devices. Chris Malachowski, an electrical engineer who worked at Sun Microsystems, and Curtis Prem, previously a senior staff engineer and graphic chip designer at Sun Microsystem. In 1993, the three co-founders believed that the proper direction for the next wave of computing was accelerated or graphics-based computing because it could solve problems but general purpose computing could not solve it. They also observed that video games were simultaneously one of the most computationally challenging problems and would have incredibly high scale volumes. With only $40,000 in the bank, the company was born. The company subsequently received $20 million of venture capital funding from Sequoia Capital and others. NVIDIA initially had no name, and the co-founders named all their files NV as in next version. The need to incorporate the company prompted the co-founders to review all words with those two letters, leading them to NVIDIA, the Latin word for envy. NVIDIA went public on January 22, 1999. Founder, President and CEO Jensen Huang, born February 17, 1963, is a Taiwanese American billionaire businessman, electrical engineer and semiconductor tycoon. He serves as President and CEO of the NVIDIA Corporation, which he founded in 1993. Huang graduated from Oregon State University before moving to California. He earned a master's degree from Stanford University. In 2008, Forbes listed him as the 61st highest paid CEO in a list of US CEOs and one of the wealthiest Asian Americans. Awards. In 1999, Jensen Huang was named Entrepreneur of the Year in High Technology by Ernst & Young. Huang was awarded an honorary doctorate from Oregon State University at the June 13, 2009. In 2018, Huang was listed in the inaugural Edge 50, naming the world's top 50 influencers in edge computing. In November 2020, Jensen Huang was named Supplier CEO of the Year by Eurostar's Automotive News Europe. Huang was awarded an honorary doctorate from National Taiwan University at the school anniversary in November 2020. Co-founders. Curtis R. Prem is an American computer scientist. He received a BS degree in electrical engineering from Rensselaer Polytechnic Institute in 1982. He designed the first graphic processor for the PC, the IBM Professional Graphics Adapter. From 1986 to 1993, he was a senior staff engineer at Sun Microsystem, where he developed the GX graphics chip. He co-founded NVIDIA with Jensen Huang and Chris Malachowski, and he was its chief technical officer from 1993 to 2003. He retired from NVIDIA in 2003. Chris Malachowski was born May 2, 1959 in an American electrical engineer, one of the founder of computer graphic company NVIDIA. He received a BS degree in 1983 in electrical engineering from the University of Florida and an MS degree in 1986 from Santa Clara University. In 2008, he received the Distinguished Alumni Award from Santa Clara University and received Distinguished Alumni Award from University of Florida College of Engineering in 2017. Early in his career, he worked for Hewlett-Packard and Sun Microsystem. He founded NVIDIA in April 1993 with Curtis Prem and Jensen Huang, and is a senior vice president for engineering and operations. This is the company profile, which is founded in April 5, 1993, 28 years ago. The founders are Jensen Huang, Curtis Prem, Chris Malachowski. The headquarters in Santa Clara, California, US. The area served worldwide, and the president and CEO is Jensen Huang, and the revenue is 10.92 billion US dollars, and the number of employees are 18,100 as of October 2020. History of NVIDIA GPUs. The first one is NV1. NVIDIA formed in 1993 and immediately began work on its first product, the NV1. Taking 2 years to develop, the NV1 was officially launched in 1995, an innovative chipset for its time. The NV1 was capable of handling both 2D and 3D video along with included audio processing hardware, following Sega's decision to use the NV1 inside of its Saturn game console. NVIDIA also incorporated support for the Saturn controller, which enabled desktop graphics card to also use the controller. NV3 Riva 128 and the NV4 the plot to drop the bomb, NV5 another explosion, NV10 use the G-force, NV11, NV15, NV16 G-force 2, NV20 the G-force 3. These are the NVIDIA GPUs. NVIDIA logo history. The visual identity of NVIDIA is based on an abstract graphical symbol standard for the famous metaphoric eye seeing everything. Though the color palette and typeface of the word mark have changed throughout the year, the current NVIDIA logo features green as a symbol of uniqueness and growth. What does the NVIDIA logo signify? As the company name is stylized, NVIDIA is pronounced Invidia, a Latin word for envy. This sense is a looking upon associated with the evil eye. Naturally, NVIDIA takes advantage of this meaning by including the symbolic eye in their logo. The usage of green color further reinforces the envious qualities of the product bearing this logo. The eye is offset by a simple square appearing to represent a digital pixel, since the product NVIDIA makes are primarily for graphics rendering. The industries which is NVIDIA companies working on: semiconductors, artificial intelligence, video games, consumer electronics, computer hardware. The products are graphic processing units, central processing units, chipsets, drivers, tablet computers, TV accessories, laptops, and data processing units. The artificial intelligence used in NVIDIA, that is 2 gained waves of AI. In 2012, GPU accelerated AlexNet assured in the era of superhuman image recognition. Since then, they have used deep learning to teach artificial intelligence how to observe and identify images and sounds, to understand their condition, and to infer what may come next. With the latest breakthroughs in natural language understanding, artificial intelligence is learning the code of human knowledge. World's most powerful AI training tool is the second one, which is building amazing AI applications, begins with training neural networks. NVIDIA DGX2 is the world's most powerful tool for AI training, uniting 16 GPUs to deliver 2 petaflops of training performance. With the extreme I/O performance of Mellanox InfiniBand networking, DGX2 systems can quickly scale to supercomputer class NVIDIA DGX superports. Powering AI inference for hyperscale. Trained AI applications are deployed in large-scale, highly complex cloud data centers that serve voice, video, image, and recommendation services to billions of users. To be useful to our daily lives, they must work incredibly fast, a demand that is increasing exponentially with the rise of conversational AI. Powering AI at the edge. AI is spilling out of the cloud and into the edge, where oceans of raw data are generated by the world's largest industries, on factory floors, in stores, on city streets, in urgent care facilities. The NVIDIA EGX platform puts AI performance closer to the data to drive real-time decisions when or where they are needed most. Jetson AGX and Isaac deliver AI to robotics and IoT industry. NVIDIA Jetson AGX Xavier delivers the energy-efficient computational power needed for embedded systems like robots, drones, and smart cities, and the new Jetson Nano will enable millions more small, low-power AI systems for embedded IoT apps. From Xavier to Nano, all the NVIDIA AI computers run on the same CUDA X AI software stack. And the mission, vision, and values of NVIDIA company. Mission: to provide the latest NVIDIA news on products, technologies, and events. Vision: foster an environment that motivates employees, empowering them to work as an integrated team. Values: innovation, speed and ability, one team excellence, and intellectual honesty. Evolution of NVIDIA GTC. NVIDIA virtually held its annual GPU Technology Conference (GTC), showcasing the latest advancement in natural language processing, robotics, accelerated computing, smart networking, collaboration, and much more. GTC was a mix of industry and vision, with artificial intelligence as the overarching theme. NVIDIA is among the vendors developing products and software stacks aimed at democratizing AI so it's accessible to companies of all sizes. The reference is http Wikipedia and the basic information about NVIDIA company. Thank you.